Welcome back to Car Magica. The 800 bhp Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid is rewriting the rules of high-performance luxury sedans with a jaw-dropping combination of power, innovation, and premium design. Recently seen testing at the Nürburgring, this electrified powerhouse from Porsche is turning heads with its aggressive stance and razor-sharp design cues. The latest iteration features a more sculpted and muscular profile, signaling Porsche's intention to blend eco-conscious engineering with brutal performance. Unlike traditional hybrids focused solely on efficiency, the Turbo S E-Hybrid pushes boundaries, offering blistering acceleration and track-ready dynamics. The exterior design of the updated Panamera carries an unmistakable Porsche DNA, but with sharper headlights, wider air intakes, and a sleeker silhouette that enhances both aerodynamics and road presence. At the rear, the signature light bar spans the width of the car, now paired with a sportier bumper and quad exhaust tips that hint at the monster hiding beneath the hood. Up front, the aggressive new grille design and lower stance improve airflow and give the Panamera an even more commanding look, perfectly balancing elegance with raw power. These updates bring it visually closer to Porsche's electric Taycan while staying true to its internal combustion roots. From the side, the long wheelbase and sloping roofline highlight the car's grand touring potential, offering ample interior space without sacrificing speed or agility. The flush door handles, pronounced fenders, and massive wheels reinforce its performance-driven identity. But the real magic lies under the hood, where a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine is paired with a potent electric motor, creating a combined output of 800 horsepower. This hybrid setup allows the Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, rivaling many supercars while delivering smooth and refined power delivery. The high-capacity battery pack offers an improved electric-only range, expected to surpass 35 miles, making it ideal for short commutes. Without using a drop of fuel, Porsche has also fine-tuned the regenerative braking and suspension system for sharper handling and a more engaging driving experience. The car will likely feature multiple drive modes, allowing drivers to switch between pure electric cruising, hybrid efficiency, and full throttle performance. The new 800 bhp Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid is expected to make its official debut later this year, with availability beginning in early 2026. Prices are anticipated to start around the $190,000 mark, positioning it as a flagship offering for those who demand cutting-edge hybrid tech without compromising on luxury or performance. Whether you're carving mountain roads or silently gliding through the city, the Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid proves that going green can still mean going fast.